Why charge £20 for a 10 to 15 minute window clean? It's a valid question that warrants a deeper understanding of the intricacies involved. This blog aims to provide a comprehensive view of the pricing dynamics behind professional window cleaning, shedding light on the multifaceted factors contributing to the seemingly straightforward cost. Running a healthy business. To maintain the highest standards of service and to ensure the longevity of our business, a multifaceted approach is imperative. Here's a detailed exploration of the various elements integrated into our pricing model. Customer acquisition. At the core of any thriving business is a robust customer base. To acquire and retain the customers, we allocate a significant portion of our revenue to marketing strategies and employ a dedicated door-to-door sales force. As a growing company, continuous marketing efforts are essential for business sustenance and to provide stable job opportunities for all of our staff. Investing in cutting-edge equipment. Our vans, staff and cleaning equipment are the backbone of our operations, working tirelessly to meet the cleaning schedules efficiently. Regular and substantial reinvestment in our equipment is the cornerstone of our commitment to reliability and top-notch performance. Running an efficient business requires reliable tools, and we spare no expense in maintaining our equipment in optimal working order. Continuous training and skill development. The exterior cleaning industry is dynamic and ever evolving. We make consistent investments in our team's training to stay at the forefront. This ongoing commitment ensures that our cleaners are equipped with the latest cleaning methods and possess the skills needed to adapt diverse cleaning challenges. This skill development dedication directly translates into superior service for our valued customers. Logistical challenges and transportation expenses. Running a fleet over 17 vehicles daily comes with challenges and costs. The rise in diesel prices, maintenance expenses including tyres, brakes, general wear and tear, and other associated costs significantly contribute to the business's overall expenditure. Efficient and timely transportation is crucial for meeting client expectations, and these costs are essential for sustaining our operational efficiency. Dedicated office staff and administrative overheads. Behind the scenes, a team of dedicated office staff play a crucial role in managing the day-to-day operations of our business. As we continue to grow, our office staff is instrumental in coordinating schedules, handling customer inquiries, and ensuring seamless communication. The administrative overheads associated with maintaining an efficient office contribute to the overall costs, but are essential for the smooth functioning of our business. Adapting to the cost of living crisis. The pervasive impact of the cost of living crisis has touched every aspect of our lives, and our business is no exception. Adapting to these changes is not just a challenge, but a necessity to ensure that we can afford to run our business sustainably and continue to provide exceptional service to our clients. HMRC obligations and legal employment practices. After accounting for all business costs, we are obligated to pay our taxes to HMRC. Our commitment to legal employment practices means that all of our staff are employed legitimately under payee, ensuring compliance with tax, pension and employment regulations. Being VAT registered incurs substantial costs, and any profits left are subject to corporation tax. This commitment to legality and proper employment distinguishes us from businesses that operate under the VAT threshold or employ staff on a self-employed basis. Choosing reliability and efficiency. While there may be cheaper alternatives in the market, opting for a professional business like ours has distinct advantages. Our reliability, efficiency and commitment to legality sets us apart. We bring a wealth of experience and constantly reinvest in knowledge, ensuring that every pound spent on our services reflects the value of the windows cleaned. The seemingly simple task of window cleaning encompasses many costs and considerations, contributing to our pricing structure. By choosing our services, customers invest not only in pristine windows, but also in the business that values professionalism, legality, and the ongoing pursuit of excellence in service delivery.